Hello, welcome to Craft Along with Crafter Wong. I'm Crafter Wong, and today I'll be building Croconaw. I told you I'd be using that saying for the series again. Well, you didn't know that? You didn't watch my last video about Totodile? Go watch that. I mean, it's only probably like, I don't know, not that long. Anyways, like what I was saying, I'll be making Croconaw. If you want to build a model with me, go to the link in the description and I'll lead you to my website where you can download the templates. While you're also there, hit the subscribe button. It's like, I don't know, half a centimeter away. Make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget to like and oh no, comment any models you want me to make next, and grab your turtle soup and enjoy. This model took about an hour to build. I mean, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, hit that like button, hit that like button, hit. I don't. What am I doing? It seems like I'm doing dubstep. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any models you want to make. Until next week, bye bye.